Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makakadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincere. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well, too. And I say shalom. And this is a news article that I want to bring out of the Wall Street over there in New York City. Wall Street Stocks Exchange was down 150 points today. And this is a news article published by Pai Sheng and Hung Young Shim Kim from CNNBC, updated October the 12th, 2023 at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, and it reads, and it says the Dow Jones down more than 150 points lower as inflation data reignites interest rate fears. And it says the stocks failed Thursday, pressured by risking treasury yields as traders fret over the new data showing persistent U.S. inflation. And it says the Dow Jones Industrial Average was lower by 0.51% or 173.73 points to close 33,631.14, and the S&P 500 declined by 0.62%, ending at 4,349.61. And it says the tech-heavy Nasdaq composite lost 0.63%, landing at 13,574.22. The major index came off of a 4-day winning streak. It says the Treasury yields jump on the back of the inflation data Thursday. The benchmark, a 10-year rate move nearly a year 11 base points higher at 4.70%. And the 2-year Treasury was trading at 5.6% after rising more than 6 basis points. The yield recently high at a 16-year high, rattling stocks earlier this month. The 10-year Treasury yield traded above 4.8%. It says some investors believe the high yields are here to stay, influencing Thursday's downturn in the equity market. It says every CPI print that comes in a way that shows more than sticks chips away. The inheritance believe we eventually will get 2% inflation, and we're not going to 2%, but the bond market wants to believe we are close. It says Philip Hemmer, manager of partner and global statistic at a MRB. It says partner equity continues to head south as the market realize we are moving higher, he said. It says soon Volk Carson Group, vice president of Marco Strategic, similar noting immediately negative correlations to equal price when yields rise, particularly over a short period of time that has that been in recent weeks. It says this is an equity risk premium, but the lower than probably was before. It says got the recent surge in yields, and he said to be sure, he added that the firms remains overweight and equities, noting the confidence that strong economy and environment. It says we feed the intro third earnings. The consumer index, it says, released Thursday, increasing to 0.4% on the month of 3.7 from a year ago, according to a Labor Department. The Dow Jones estimate were 0.3% to 3.6%, respectively. It says the core inflation numbers and floating food and energy prices came out the line of economists. It says explanation had an increase to 0.3%, the month 4.1% on a 12-month basis. The data followed a stronger than expected produce price index reading for September. It says the shares of Walgreens traded 7% higher on Thursday after a promising chain reported. It says tariff loss and progress in the cost of plans. Walgreens often saw profit guidance and the earning miss. So I ain't gonna read all the rest of that, but as it says again, the Dow Jones closed more than 150 points, which is 173.73 lower, as inflation data reignites interest rates fears again. So with that, hopefully this recent news article from CNBC.com updated October the 12th, 2023 on Thursday, 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. It reads again, Dow Jones closed more than 150 points lower as inflation data reunites interest rates fears. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem Rakadash. Shalom to the elders for reaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered four corners of the globe, reaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.